Two top contenders in the world of task management. Todoist versus Things 3. Which one really delivers? On the left, Todoist, the powerful cross-platform organizer. And on the right, Things 3, the sleek task manager crafted for Apple devotees. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into what actually matters. Each category gets a score, and at the end, you'll see exactly which app comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. Before we jump into things, let me lay out what we're going to compare. So we're looking at platforms, pricing, task management features, performance, collaboration, oh yes, super important, and those nitty-gritty task details. It's basically everything you need for a good productivity showdown. First up, platforms. And this is where Todoist gets loud. So Todoist pretty much works anywhere. Web, Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, Android, you name it. You do lose a bit of that native app feel sometimes, but hey, flexibility is crazy. Things 3, it's all about Apple. If you're living in the Apple ecosystem, you'll love that seamless integration. It just works. But let's be real, it's kind of locked in. You're stuck with iOS, iPadOS, and macOS. So if you're bouncing between devices, Todoist wins this round, no contest. Now, pricing. Oh boy, here we go. Todoist is nice because you get a free plan. If you want to go premium, there's a subscription, and yeah, it can get pricey depending on your usage. But what's cool is that sub covers all platforms. Things 3, it's a one-time purchase, which sounds amazing up front, right? But the catch is, it's only for Apple, and the upfront cost is higher. No cross-platform stuff. Honestly, if you're budget conscious or hate commitment, Todoist pulls ahead here too. All right, let's geek out about task management. Todoist packs in a ton. NLP for typing out tasks super fast, robust features galore, and all those collaboration tools. The downside is, it can get a bit much, sort of overwhelming if you're new. On the other hand, Things 3 is super simple and clean. You get these areas to organize stuff, and it just feels calming. But you can't collaborate, which is kind of meh in 2025, right? So Todoist is the pick for power users. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Todoist and Things 3 are both known for their innovative task management techniques? Seriously, people get creative with how they use these apps. Performance. Okay, this is totally where Things 3 starts flexing. Todoist is fast and responsive on most platforms, but on the web, it can drag its feet sometimes. Things 3, though, it's just, wow, lightning fast if you're on Apple. Everything feels buttery smooth, and you totally see why people gush about it. But you gotta be on Apple, remember? Still, for pure speed and the feel of the app, Things 3 takes this one. So, collaboration. Todoist is basically built for teams. Assign tasks, share projects, all that good stuff. There's really nothing bad to say here. Things 3? Nope. If you need to work with anyone else, it's kind of a dead end. So yeah, Todoist is the clear winner here, especially if you're chasing that group productivity vibe. Let's wrap up with task details. Todoist is kind of wild. You get due times, priorities, assignees, file attachments, the works. It just feels advanced. Meanwhile, Things 3 is more minimal, which looks clean, but you're missing those power user features. So when you want to nerd out with your tasks, Todoist is definitely the one. So if you put all the scores head to head, the strengths kind of leap out at you. Todoist really dominates in versatility and collaboration, while Things 3 shines for Apple fans who need speed and clean design. Wrapping it up, here's my honest take. If you're living across devices and need tons of features, Todoist totally steals the show. But if you want that zen, super tidy Apple experience, Things 3 is calling your name. So why not give both a try? Test out Todoist and Things 3. See what clicks. Your productivity journey deserves a tool that actually keeps